Excellent presentation today, Ms. Davies. The projections for Q3 are most impressive.
Thank you, Mr. Henderson. We're all quite optimistic about the new initiative.
As am I. You know, seeing your efficiency, it often makes me wonder how you manage it all. A demanding career and, if I recall, you have 2 young children.
Indeed. 2 little whirlwind, aged 5 and 7. It's a delicate balance, shall we say. This morning, my youngest decided her toast absolutely had to be cut into the shape of a unicorn before she'd even look at it.
Unicorn toast. I remember those days. My son, who's now a strapping 25-year-old lawyer, once refused to wear anything but a superhero cape for an entire week. Even to kindergarten.
A superhero cape? That's rather endearing. I suppose they never truly stopped needing us, just in different ways. Yesterday, my daughter asked if I could negotiate a later bedtime with her teddy bear.
Ah, the early signs of a future diplomat. It's remarkable, isn't it? The sheer joy, and sometimes the delightful chaos they bring, makes these long hours here feel purposeful, in a way.
Absolutely. Coming home to their energy, even after a day of spreadsheets and meetings, is quite grounding, though I wouldn't mind if one day, my unicorn toast expert decided to use her cutting skills on a business report.
Now that would be a Q4 projection worth seeing. Well, thank you for the brief reprieve from the usual corporate talk. Ms. Davies, give my regards to the budding diplomat and the unicorn connoisseur.
I certainly will, Mr. Henderson. And perhaps next time, I'll bring some superhero-themed cookies.